We're talking Fibonacci analysis today with the Fibonacci queen, Carolyn Boroden. Hi, Carolyn.
Hi.
A lot of people talk about Fibonacci retracements, but there's also the other side, and that is the extensions. Talk about that for a bit.
Fibonacci extensions are important to watch because they're also going to offer support and resistance. But one special thing about extensions is that many moves in the market will terminate at or around key extension levels.
What do you mean by that?
Well, actually, in the euro recently, I had two extensions that showed up on the daily chart, or you could also see them on, let's say, a 240-minute chart. And there was a 1272 extension of one of the swings and a 1618 extension of the other swing, and they overlapped almost exactly on top of each other. That was within, I believe, 7 ticks of that last major high in the euro. So when many moves tend to terminate, you would have wanted to be aware in the euro that you're at two major extensions.
Very important for that particular market because
Absolutely.
It was so thick. Now, does it become a self-fulfilling prophecy because all the Fibonacci watchers are looking for that?
I don't think that it really works that way. There might be some cases where everybody's going to be looking at a big 618 retracement on a daily chart. But as far as the pattern repeating itself over and over again on different time frame charts, I don't think it's all that self-fulfilling prophecy.
And how about the support and resistance that you mentioned? Do you pinpoint that exactly, or do you give yourself a little area?
We give ourselves some room. I mean, what I'll do is I'll look at quite a few different swings on a particular chart, and I'll run all the price relationships. And those relationships will come in to a zone, for example. And it might be within a few points or a few bucks in a stock, for example. And as long as you're relatively close to that point, you can start looking for a signal to get you involved in that stock or commodity or whatever you're looking at.
But you should watch the extensions, not just the
Absolutely.
retracements.
We do watch the extensions. It also just put in a top in the crude oil market recently. So if you go back to that chart, you'll see that it extended, I believe, 1618 and then rolled over.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Thanks, Carolyn.
Sure.
I've been speaking with Carolyn Boroden. You're watching the MoneyShow.com video network.